Hola a todos, hola de nuevo, welcome to Spanish Kitchen again. Today is a very special evening because we are expecting our friends to visit us. He's vegan, she's pescatarian, and the kids they eat everything. So basically I'm just preparing like some tapas, vegan tapas. And I can't wait to show you. Basically in this section I am cooking like very slow, like brava sauce. Normally patatas bravas is to make patatas bravas. Normally patatas bravas go with like salsa brava, and then it can be mixed up with some garlic mayo, but to make like 100% vegan we stick with the tomato. Then I'm gonna fry, which is very traditional as well, padron peppers. They need to be fried very slow, and it's like a nice game on this. Some are okay, and maybe could be one that is terribly spicy, so it's like a roulette. Very nice. And here I have my cube potatoes in water, so they're gonna be very crispy. And when the friends arrive and they're ready to eat, I'm gonna drain them and pass very dry, and then I'm gonna fry them on the cast iron. So basically this is a cast iron. I'm gonna fry the potatoes to make them very crispy. I'm gonna show you what I do here later, but basically it's gonna be some tomatoes from the garden, sliced, and some anchovies on top. And here is like the vegan section. So we have vegan cheese, some roast pepper with fresh onion, salted almonds, olives from Aragon, which is my other half's land, and some artichokes hearts, which is just as it is, but if it's not like a vegan tapa, they could have some anchovies as well. Also I have what is called piparras or guindillas. This is very traditional. These are like pickled chilies from Spain. So with one I think you have like more than enough, so I'm gonna put this as well. And then I made my sourdough bread for us to share. So far so good. Right, so these tomatoes are just perfect for today, so I'm gonna collect them, and they're gonna be like super fresh. So this is our tomato. I just do like these two sections. So basically what we need, just some salt for the tomato. So this is heat. Yeah, some pepper, a little bit. Very nice extra virgin olive oil. And I'll just sprinkle with oregano as well. Just a little bit, don't overwhelm. Okay. Right, I would put some vinegar as well, but there's people that don't like vinegar, so I'm gonna leave it as it is, maybe as last minute. And also I just wanted to show you, here we have our piparras, so I just prepared one for each adult. I'm not sure we're gonna take any more, to be honest. Right, we have different wines prepared. This is the typical wine, is white one, and then you serve very from high above the glass, and it's chocolate from the Basque country, and they serve there with tapas and pinchos, so I think that's a perfect option for tonight. I dry very well the potatoes, and then on the other side I am like doing the padron peppers very slowly, so hopefully that works. It's a bit tricky to do the padron peppers.